Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy. Today we're going to be talking about HTML address, okay? And under that will be under HTML quotation. So remember we have talked about HTML quotations in our last few videos. So under it, we're going to be talking about the HTML address or the address tag in HTML quotation, okay? So the HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author or owner of a document or an article, okay? So probably after writing maybe a blog post, or you after writing a particular section of your website, you want to put an address of the author or the owner of that particular section or article. You can use the address tag, okay? It works very well for that. So the contact information can be an email address, okay? It can be URL, can be physical address, can be phone number, social media, and it can be a combination of all, okay? So it's just your alignment or your arrangement and then putting it in your address tag, okay? So the text in the address element usually renders in italics, okay? So I mean slant. So yeah, and the browser will always add a line break, okay, before and after the address elements, okay? So we want to quickly particularize that. Now I'm going to be copying this code we have here. I'm going to be going to I'll go to our VS Code to particularize what we have here. So we're going to clear out what we have on our VS Code and then we paste what we want to use there, okay? So now we have our address, okay, our address tag opened, and you see highlighted here. So then we have written by John Doe, then visit us at example.com, then box 567. That's taking the address, right? Good. So let's just save this, okay, and let's come to our browser to view what you have done. Can you see now? You can see how slant it is, right? Good. So that's what your address tag does. It makes your text, it makes it slant, italics, so to say. So then it makes you, if you look at our traditional address in our letter writing, okay, sometimes it's always like this. So let's just think some of the words, okay, and let's just say written by Donald James, okay, then visit us at maybe TechiesReign.com. Then our address will be at let's say Akubo Ibadan, okay. Then we change our USA to Nigeria, Oyo State, Nigeria. Better put Oyo State, Nigeria. Then we save that. By the time we come to our browser, we see that we have these details here. Can you see now? So that's how your address tag under your HTML quotation works, okay? Do well to practice and learn, okay? See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and